Welcome back to another video. It is the 75th anniversary of the Tulsa Home and Garden Show. If you're looking for something fun to do this weekend, depending on when you're watching this, you have today and tomorrow. So it is a fabulous event. So we're gonna go check it out, walk around a little bit, and tell you all the amazing things that the Tulsa Home and Garden Show has to offer. Ignore the ugliness behind me there. I didn't have time. We're in a rush today. So yeah, let's go check it out. It was raining when I got there, so I didn't really film the outside. So I'll have to just find some outside pictures and stuff. But yeah, let's head over there. This is the 75th year of the Tulsa Home and Garden Show. And if you've never been to the Expo Center, it is an absolutely massive facility where they host a wide range of events, not just the Tulsa Home and Garden Show, but it is a well-attended event showcasing the latest trends and innovations in home improvement, gardening, landscaping, and of course, design. The show features a wide array of exhibitors, including home builders, remodelers, landscapers, interior designers, outdoor living specialists, and of course, suppliers of home improvement products and services.
Really quick, this is my friend Sierra, and if you're new here and you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe for more local content. All the amazing things that to do in Tulsa and the surrounding communities is what I share about: local restaurants, all that good stuff. So be sure and subscribe to that, and share this video with a friend who's maybe curious about moving to Oklahoma and seeing all of the things that we have to do here. And yeah, let's keep going.
We stopped in for some food at the workshop. So there's cooking workshops, there's also gardening workshops, decorating workshops, all kinds of fun stuff and activities. There's also a beer garden, loads of food court places. It's a pretty amazing event. This is Emily, by the way, from Love Eats Kitchen. So check her out. She's pretty dope. She does lots of catering. But of course, machinery, all kinds of stuff. I mean, bedding. It's a pretty fabulous event. For some years, the garden show, they also host special appearances by celebrity designers, gardening experts, and home improvement personalities, and other amazing special guests. So you never know what you're going to get at the Home and Garden Show. It's well worth the ticket price. There is so much to do and see, so bring the fam and have a great day at the Home and Garden Show. Pretty amazing stuff. If you get the chance to go out there, it is well worth it. Tickets are only $12. As always, if you're thinking of making a move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that smooth transition, really Tulsa or any of the surrounding communities. And I will see you in the next video.